welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm doing is passion twist. As you can see, it's literally just two of them. I'm done with everything, but I didn't want the video to be too long because after all I'm still going to use just one part to show you how I did it, so there's no need showing everything. So just level two that I'm going to do now, just two. So I'll do one. The ones I have already done this is quite shorter than the rest, but after I tie, I'll leave that one with this one I'll do here at the front, so it doesn't need to be too long. Okay, let's get right into the video. I'm using this thing. I always forget it and I can't find. I'm coming. No, I'm not coming. I'm coming. Okay. This is what Air Cream. That time I was saying Air Pro. That's what I'm using. Can't see this thing well. Okay, I'm using Air Cream Professional L'Oreal collection for my edges. It's a wax. So that's what I'm using for my edges. You can see it's well laid. It's laid. I'm going to show you, give you two options on how to do this passion twist. I'm going to give you two. Okay, let's box on. I've already done most of it. Just love it. Two. The first one I'm going to do, this is no rubber band method. This is a no rubber band method. So after putting the wax, doesn't have to be too much. See, it doesn't flake though. But all the times I've used it, I've never seen it flake yet. So see how it makes it really well defined and straight. So I have to make sure this thing is straight here. Okay, so let's just start braiding. If you know how to braid, then this will be quite easy for you. So you just braid, that's all. Passion twist, I think, is the easiest that I've done yet. Okay, this is the second time I'm braiding my own hair with artificial hair. This is the first one I did the knotless, and this time I'm doing the passion twist. So I think this has been quite easy because you don't have to bend nothing, you don't have to cut or nothing. You just braid and you're done. If you want to use, I don't have mousse, so I just leave it like that. I have this Maxim twist and curl butter that I'm using to twist the passion twist. I don't know what it's doing to it, but I think it's making it quite defined. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Okay, so I take a small portion like this and I divide my natural hair into two. After doing the 3 braids, I divide my natural hair into 2 like this. Then I use the curl butter to twist it. I make it really tight because for passion twist, when you leave it, it will loosen up and become kind of curly. So as I'm going, I'll be using the butter all the way down. Those at the back, I didn't use the butter, I didn't use the wax, but those in front, because that's where the attention will be. Nobody cares about what's at the back. So yeah, just tighten it really well. Okay, that's it. That's all. Just braid to the end. I'll show you the second one very soon. Okay, let's go to the last one. This is the last one left. Then I am done. Yeah, so we are still going to use our Air Pro. Why do I always say Air Pro? Air Cream, not Air Pro. Why do I hear Air Pro from? Oh, Air Pro is it an air freshener? Yeah, but that's an Air Cream. That's not Air Pro. Air Pro is that thing like a microphone, right? I don't know why I keep saying Air Pro. It's Air Cream. Well, they all have air, so when I'm going to work, that's when I'll really make the edges laid, but for now you just be doing it like this, just to make it defined and easy to braid. Okay. So this is the second way that you can do it if you don't want to use the rubber band method and you want to have a grip of the root. You divide the hair into 3 and braid your natural hair first before you add the passion twist. So now I've divided my hair into 3, then I braid. Make sure it's really tight, really tight. Okay, just like that. You braid about 4 or 5 times. See? Yeah. And then you add the passion twist. This makes the roots tight, because now you can, I don't know if you can see the lines. I'm not good with lines for now, so you guys should just bear with me. And then let's go. Makes it easy to grab. Still, the fact that you've done the 3 braids, like you pre-braided your own hair, doesn't mean after you add a passion twist you should make it loose. No, you should still have a grip of it. Make the roots really tight. Then there you off you go. Braid 3, braid. If you get to any point that you want, don't have to count anything. I don't really count. Then you divide your natural hair into 2 like this. One part will take one part of the passion twist and the other one will take the other part. If you have a curl butter like I do, you add it to it to make it really defined and to tuck your natural hair in. If you have a natural hair, you know whenever you have braids, it begins to come out. So with the butter, it helps to tuck it in. Okay, so that's all. Okay, when you get to the end, after, I don't want the video to be too long, but when you get to the end, you can, I know some people that add rubber bands to the end. All that there's no rubber band, but it's still not loose yet. So what I do is, after getting to the end, see there I'm sweating, Charlie, I'm tired. It's taking me more than 2 hours. I thought this was going to be easy, but it's not. So after getting to the end, I use a little of the butter. It's really not necessary though. I use the butter and then I use my hand to do this. That's all. No, it's unbraided. It's unraveled again. So I'm sorry, I'm doing it again. I'm doing the tip again. I'm doing this. Don't think, you just do something like this, then you leave it. That's all. You're done.